Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Over the past few months, me and my friend Jordan have been actually playing Airsoft, and today we are playing at the legendary field called SC Village. Our story begins today with a map called SC Viper. Make note of this two-story building and this two-story building. Also make note of this long pathway along the side of the map. It will be important later. Now, let's finally get into the game.
So what's the plan?
Don't let him snipe.
The plan was simple. You see, the other team's second-story building was a very powerful sniping position, and our job was to make sure that they couldn't snipe.
We go upstairs or where? Where are we going?
We're gonna go around the side.
Unfortunately, it seems the team thought beforehand about our plan. I managed to kill him, but he also managed to kill me. It was time for a new plan.
Yeah, I shot his feet. Do you see any of them?
Yeah. Pretty sure the bounty's out there. Like shooting for a motorcycle. He's right behind this little wheel.
Oh, okay. Do you think I could run up there?
Oh.
You think I could run up there and bang it? Nope, he's peeking. Ah, hit!
And now for something incredibly tragic. Me and Jordan weren't having much luck by ourselves, so we decided to band together.
There's a whole bunch in our building, in our tower.
Are you freaking kidding me?
There's a whole bunch, especially on our side. Oh god, wait, there's another guy there.
Okay.
I'm peeking it.
Yo, dude, your gun's broken. I think we got people going up the stairs. They're about to be up. Whoa.
I don't know.
Oh, I got shot by the sniper. He sniped me in the eyeball.
That son of a back there if you want to.
Back where?
With the enemy closing in and trapping us at our spawn, things were looking grim. But fortunately,
That's game.
the first round was over. It was time to switch sides. Remember the powerful sniping spot that I mentioned before? Yeah, this time, I'm going to take advantage of it. And now for something equally as tragic.
Speed softer. Literally everywhere. We got one to the second story, a letter in those little side sheds, and then we got some down here on the right, at the very bottom.
And with that, our first game ended as soon as it started. Unfortunately, Jordan was fixing his gun, so he was unable to play the next game. Even so, the next map we are going to be playing on is called Supply Depot, commonly called Barrels. Take note of the maze-like layout of this map. Alright, let's get into the game.
Gotcha. What? Oh.
What? You said what?
Yeah, I'm passing, I'm passing.
Yeah, right side.
I see him.
Miles, I run out of ammo fast.
Got him. Let's go.
Not long after that, I lost all my lives and moved on to the next round. This round, the plan was to be a bit more aggressive and to hopefully get some more kills by pushing up further.
Run.
One minute left, sorry. 1 minute left.
Game! Woo! That was good!
For round 3, I think that round is so special that I'm going to make it its own video. So for now, let's skip to round 4. Unfortunately for round 4, my GoPro decided to not capture any of it, so you're only going to be able to see it in Jordan's POV. But don't worry, this time he put the GoPro on his head. In this game mode, we need to find a flag hidden on the map and return it to our spawn. I decided to push forward and look for the flag, while Jordan stayed back and provided cover fire.
Where's that?
The flag's on this side, I believe.
Alright, I see some pushing up.
It was at this moment we found the flag, and I grabbed it.